Hi friends, I'm your host MT and I welcome to our channel Stubborn Learners. Today we will start our series which will be on Cisco ASA. So let's hit the series and see what we have to do in this series and the first task of this series. Here we will configure our ASA such that the firewall admin will be able to access the ASA appliance via ASDM and also via SSH. So friends, let's go and check the topology. Actually, topology is not needed over here, but as we will be using this topology for a complete series, I just mentioned it over here. But the special action over here will be between the firewall admin system and the ASA. So let me explain you the topology. On the left side, we have our internal network with IP segment as 192.168.1.0. On the right side, it's an external segment 192.168.3.0, and the DMZ is hosted in 192.168.2.0. But as I said, the action will be between the firewall admin system, which is 192.168.1.100, and the ASA. So let's go and check the first requirement. So according to it, we have to configure our ASA such that the admin, so this person sitting over here, should be able to access the ASA via ASDM. So friends, let's go ahead and configure what it's needed. But I need to tell you something, that in case of ASDM, just firing commands on ASA is not efficient. We need to do something more. We need to have a certain spice or some special ingredient in this, which is the ASDM image. So we will go to it later. First go to our ASA and check how is the ASA, the IP addressing, and what are the interfaces. Okay, this is our ASA. So let's go and check the interface first. So show interface IP brief, and I just want to know those interfaces who are assigned with IP addresses. So I can give a pipe. I can say exclude unassigned. That is enough for this. So now for now I have configured only one interface, which is an interface Ethernet 1, which is on the inside of the ASA with IP address 192.168.1.254. Okay, so what we will do, we will just try to ping the admin systems to check whether we have actual connectivity between them. So ping 192.168.1.100. Okay, so we are able to ping. That means we have a connectivity between the admin system and this ASA. But we will go on the admin system also to check whether he can ping. This is fine, but still we will go there and check this. So guys, this is the admin system. Let's check his IP address. IP config says his IP is 192.168.1.100. That's what we ping from ASA. Now let's try to ping from here. Ping and 192.168.1.254, which was the IP address of the inside interface of the ASA, which was connected on port Ethernet 1. So we should get the ping. Yes, we are getting the ping. So now we need to go and configure ASA for ASDM. But before doing this, what I want to show you, we will just go on the ASDM, which I have already installed over here, because I control many ASAs from here. I manage them. So let's go and see what happens when we try to configure or access the ASA without configuring it for ASDM. So this is the console or the opening of ASDM application. We have to mention our IP over here, 192.168.1.254. Right now we don't have any usernames. That's fine. We just want to see if you are getting connected over there. Okay, we need to wait for this. I know what will be the we will get an error that we can't connect ASA right now, but we will go on ASA and we will do config, and we will come back again to see what is the error. So let's go on ASA and configure this. Okay, so we are on our ASA. So before, earlier I was talking about some special ingredient, a special spice, which was an ASDM image. So friends, let me tell you that for accessing the ASA via ASDM, we need an ASDM image in the flash of the ASA. So for this task, we first need to find the ASDM image. Guys, I already have the image and I have copied into the ASA's flash, but I will tell you how to do this. There are many ways to copy the ASDM file from anywhere to the ASA, but I will show you how to do this by a simple and a better way, which is via TFTP. Okay, so in our case, I have made a host system which is using admin as a TFTP server. I have kept the file over there, and we will now try to get it on the ASA. It's very simple. It's no such a bigger deal. We have to just say copy. What from where I have to copy? So I have to copy from TFTP server, and then where I have to copy it. So I have to copy it in Flash. That's it. Then it's asking me the IP address of the remote host, means the TFTP server, which is 192.168.1.100. Okay, that he's asking me the source file name. Guys, we need to know the source file name over here. What I will do, I will go back. I already have the file in the Flash, so I will go and copy from there. It's very easy now. Show Flash. Let's go Flash. Okay, this is my Flash. And see, I have already copied it over here, so I will just copy it. Then again follow a complete step, which was copy from TFTP server to where? To Flash. Then what's IP address of the server, which is 192.168.1.100. Then specify the source file name, and now he's asking me what should be the destination file name in the ASA. It's always recommended to keep the same file name. You can change it, but it's recommended to keep same, so I'm keeping the same. Enter. And now he's asking me that you already have the file in the Flash, but do you want to overwrite it? I won't overwrite it because it's okay, we already have the Flash. Why to overwrite it? So I'm going back. So now what we have a Flash file in the ASDM file in the Flash. We need to do one more thing in this, that ask ASA to use that file for ASDM. So let's go and configure terminal, then ASDM image. And where is the image? Image is in Flash. And what is the name of the image? So let's copy this. That's it. So now what we are saying, we are asking ASA to use the ASDM image which is stored in Flash and its name. Enter. Okay, that's it. We have done for this. Now we have to move to the second phase in this. Okay, so let's move in the second phase. So what we are doing here, we are accessing the ASA via ASDM, which also means that we are accessing the ASA on TCP port 443, which is also an HTTPS. So for this, we need to enable HTTPS on our ASA. That's too very simple. Just we have to say HTTP, and now you will say that I will add a S and make it HTTPS, but I need to clear you that there is no HTTPS on ASA. It's just HTTP. So HTTP server, and what we have to do with it, we have to enable the service. So HTTP server enable. That's it. We have enabled the service now on ASA. So now anyone can able to access the ASA on port 443. This is not right. There are few more things in this. Right now we have enabled the HTTP service on ASA. Now we have to allow the admin to access this server on this service, or this ASA on this service. So for that, again HTTP, and what? See, this line says that provide me a host name or an IP address, the IP address of the host or the network authorized to access this HTTP server. So here I will provide IP address 192.168.1.100, and what is asking me for subnet mask, so 255.255.255.255. Until now the statement says, or the command says that allow 192.168.1.100/32. guys, I'm using the complete /32 segment because I need to be extremely granular who should access this ASA. So I'm asking 192.168.1.100/32 to access ASA on port 443 and adding to it from which interface? So from inside interface. So this command says 192.168.1.100 will only be able to access ASA from inside interface. Guys, enter. That's it. See, until now what we have done, we have enabled HTTPS service on ASA. We allowed the admin to access the ASA on certain port from certain interface. But still, how will ASA know that the guy who is accessing the ASA is the admin? How? So for this we have to tell ASA that he will come with a certain ID and password. So for this we need to create an ID, username, his name can be anything, admin. I'm making a plain admin, but only as this is a test I'm making plain. In your live environment you should always be very strong in this. So admin, and password also by going plain, admin at 123. Friends, so this is also done. Now till now what we have done, I'm again asking you, telling you what we have done. We have enabled HTTPS service. We have asked ASA that only this IP address from this side of the interface on this port will be accessing the server, so the ASA. And also we told him that even if you get this access from this server, sorry, not from server, from this host system, also check for the ID and password, because he will be also check for the ID and password. But one thing more is needed. We need to tell him from where to check the IDs and passwords. So we have one more command in this, AAA authentication. And now what to authenticate? To authenticate telnet, or to authenticate SSH, or to authenticate serial? No, we have to authenticate HTTP. So authenticate HTTP. This is the base command console. And from where? There are two things. Either we can provide a name of any external server. We can use Radius or TACX server where we already have created some IDs, and we will ask ASA to authenticate from there. But in our case we already created an ID of admin in ASA itself, so we will ask ASA to authenticate it from the local database. Okay, that's done. What it says, does not exist. Okay, there is a spelling error in this. Back local. Okay, and here what I did, I just mentioned this lowercase o. Now it's okay, it's fine. So guys, till now what we have done, we have enabled the HTTPS service on ASA. Then we allowed the admin to come from certain some much IP address, from some much interface, and from some much username and password. We told the ASA to only authenticate from the local database. So now let's go on the admin system and check what error we got previous, and now we'll be able to access the ASA via ASDM again. Guys, this was the error which we got when we tried to access ASA via ASDM, but it was taking time, so we moved on ASA to make configurations. But this was the error. It's saying that unable to launch the device manager from this for this IP address. So okay, so let's go again and try again, because now we have configured everything over there. So let's type our admin's name, which was admin, and his password was admin at 123. Okay, I have hit, yeah, we got it. So he's saying that certificate is not valid, do you trust? So yes, we trust, because it is the IP address of our ASA. Continue. Now it will take time. See, it's loading. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So it will take time to load. I will just pause this. Guys, it's came up, it's completely loaded, and now it's loading its internal applications. 50, 16, 17. Please go fast. Please go fast. I don't know why it's taking so much time. What I will do, I will pause again. Why to make you wait for this? Okay, no, it's going fast now. Okay, it's completely loaded. So this is our main home tab. Then here is in config tab. Okay, it's populating everything in config tab. Okay, now there is a monitor tab where we can see all the logs and other monitoring things. Let's go in config tab. I will just show you one config. Let's go in interface. Come on. So right now there is only one interface, Ethernet 1, which is enable, and rest all are disable. So let's enable this one also. Go in edit. Okay, so let's name it as DMZ, then security level of 75. Yes, enable this. and let's provide its IP address 192.168.2.254 and a segment of /24. Okay, let's go down. Okay, yes, okay, and now we can see there are two interfaces which are up and running. Guys, that's it for ASDM. I have showed you how to make it up. The part of ASDM, how to configure complete ASA, will come in new series or some other series. For this task, we just wanted to configure our ASA so that we can access it via ASDM, which we have done. So let's go and check the commands again for our brushing up. Okay, so first was configure terminal to get in the config mode. Then second one, this is for copying TFTP to flash, and then the image file which you wanted. Then this one was ASDM image flash to tell that which image in the flash we should use for ASDM. Okay, then the second phase we said that please enable the HTTP server. Then we told ASA that whom should you provide access from which interface on which port. And then this second last, the first one was we told ASA to authenticate as only HTTPS from local database, and then we when we created a username and gave him a password. Okay, so guys, let's go and check the second requirement. It was that we should make ASA such that the admin should also access the ASA from on port 22 via SSH or via Putty. So let's try this also. So which means this guy sitting over here should access the ASA via Putty. So let's go on ASA and config this also. Guys, for ASA, for SSH, we need few things to keep in mind. We need asymmetric keys so that the ID and password get authenticated. There are two type of keys, symmetric keys and asymmetric keys. We will discuss this in later videos, but for now just keep in mind that we need asymmetric keys, and to create these asymmetric keys we need few things, which are, first one is domain name. So let's go and create a domain name first. So domain name, and we need to provide the name of the domain. So let's go and keep it something different. So let's go and tell him the domain name. I'm madness.com. Okay, so we have created a domain name. Now let us go and try to create the asymmetric keys. So crypto key, I want to create a crypto key. So generate, which are the RSA keys. There are two types of keys. We will discuss this also in later chapters, later videos. For right now, concentrate on this command. So crypto key generate an RSA key, which will be of modulus, means the strength of the key. The key strength is from 786 to 10242048. As strong as the key is, as time it will take for ASA or any device to authenticate, because 2048 is very much strong, so it will take lot of time, lot of CPU overhead of the ASA or any device who is using that key. So let's go with 1024. This is standard and we can use this. Enter. Now it's creating a crypto key. See, it's saying that it is okay. So it's saying please wait, I'm doing this. Okay, it have done that. Okay, now the keys are generated. We just have to tell ASA, as we told in earlier, while ASDM to allow the admin on this port from this interface, we have to tell ASA again for this. So it should be again SSH, then this one, the IP of the system, so 192.168.1.100, and the subnet mask, which was 255.255.255.255. Again friends, please go granular on in this case, and then from which interface he will come. So inside, that's it guys. Let's go and try this. So let's move on the users or admin system and try to access this ASA from Putty, and let's try to see if we get this or if we are missing anything in this. Okay, So this is Putty 192.168.1.254. This is SSH. We can also try serial telnet, but as we have allowed only SSH, let's go with SSH. Let's try to open it. Let's go up, and we should wait for a seconds. No, it's not allowing. So it's allowed. That's good. Okay, now he's asking us for a username, so let's give him ID admin as we created earlier. Enter, then password, which was admin at 123. Enter. Access denied. Again try admin. No, admin at 123. No, he says you have denied, which means we left something earlier. So let's go and check what we left. Guys, what we did over here, we told ASA to provide access to this IP from this interface on this port. We created an ID which was created earlier, but did we told ASA to verify the ID from which database? No, we didn't. So it's AAA AUT authentication of what? Of SSH. So SSH console the base command, and from where? From the local database. Hit enter. Now we will go again on the host system and write, and this time we will get it. So let's go and check. Okay, let's go. Okay, what I will do, I will restart this session only. Restart this session. Come on, come fast. I don't want my viewers to wait. Okay, so admin and the password, which was admin ADMIN at 123. Voila, we got it. So enable password non-set. Okay, we got the ASA via SSH also. Guys, let's go and verify the commands again so that we get a summary of that. So the first was to make a domain name. So domain name and the madness.com. Then we created crypto key generate RSA modulus 1024. 485. It's 1024. So we created an crypto key. Then what we did? Then we allowed the admin's IP address 192.168.1.100 from inside interface over port SSH. And then the last one was we told ASA to authenticate SSH from the local database. So now we have completed both our tasks. So I think we have finished for this. So guys, thank you very much for watching our video. If you like the content and the type of explaining, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And for notes, you can go to our webpage or the blog, which is stubbornlearnersblog.com. That's it.